In this video we have an important topic to discuss: finding a good personal injury lawyer. If you or someone you know has been injured in an accident, it's crucial to have the right legal representation on your side. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find a skilled and trustworthy personal injury lawyer who can help you navigate through the legal process and get the compensation you deserve. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Define your needs. The first step in finding the right personal injury lawyer is to assess your specific needs. Ask yourself questions like, what type of accident or injury occurred? Are you dealing with medical malpractice, a car accident, slip and fall, or workplace injury? Identifying your needs will help you focus on lawyers with relevant experience in handling cases like yours. Step 2. Research local law firms. Once you know what you're looking for, it's time to research local law firms. Check out their websites, read reviews, and pay attention to testimonials from previous clients. Look for firms with a strong track record in personal injury cases and positive feedback from their clients. Make a list of potential law firms that stand out to you. Step 3. Verify credentials and experience. Next, you'll want to verify the credentials and experience of the lawyers on your list. Look for lawyers who are licensed to practice in your state and are members of relevant bar associations. Furthermore, investigate their experience in personal injury law. Consider how long they've been practicing, their success rate in similar cases, and any specializations they might have within the field of personal injury law. Step 4. Schedule consultations. Once you've narrowed down your list to a few top candidates, schedule consultations with each of them. Most personal injury lawyers offer free initial consultations. Use this opportunity to discuss your case and assess the lawyer's approach to your situation. During the consultation, pay attention to how well they listen to your concerns and how clearly they explain your options. Step 5. Ask relevant questions. It's essential to come prepared with a list of questions during the consultations. Some relevant questions to ask include: 1. How many cases similar to mine have you handled, and what were the outcomes? 2. Will you personally handle my case, or will it be passed on to someone else in the firm? 3. What is your fee structure? Do you work on a contingency basis? 4. How do you communicate with clients? Can I expect regular updates on my case? 5. Do you have any references from previous clients I can contact? Step 6. Check online reviews and ratings. Before making your final decision, check online reviews and ratings for each lawyer or law firm you're considering. Websites like Google, Avu, or Yelp can provide valuable insights into the experiences of other clients. However, remember to use your judgment and consider the overall picture rather than focusing on a single negative review. Conclusion *. Finding a good personal injury lawyer is crucial for obtaining the best possible outcome for your case. Remember to define your needs, research local law firms, verify credentials, schedule consultations, and ask relevant questions. Taking the time to find the right lawyer can make a significant difference in the success of your personal injury claim. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.